How to fix YouTube black screen on your phone. In today's video, we'll be fixing the black screen issue that sometimes happen when watching YouTube on your iPhone. If your video plays with a black screen but no picture, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to resolve this in just a few quick steps. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unreliable connection can cause videos to load with a black screen. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center and check if your Wi-Fi, data, or cellular data is connected. If you're using Wi-Fi, try restarting your router. Next, try closing and reopening the YouTube app. To do this, swipe up from the bottom or double press the home button if you have an older iPhone to see your open apps, and swipe up on YouTube to close it. Then tap the YouTube icon to open it again. Also, make sure your YouTube app is up to date. Open your App Store and simply search for YouTube. If there is an update available, simply update it. Now, if the black screen issue persists, try restarting your iPhone. To restart, press and hold the power button and either volume button until the slider appears. Simply slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and turn your iPhone back on. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps solved your YouTube black screen issue.